Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your debit card with Craigslist. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to start going ahead to pay for different ads or pay for items or pay for anything on Craigslist using their debit card. How do you actually go ahead and connect the two together? Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But what you're first going to do is that you're going to log into your Craigslist account. Next, you're going to click on Account on the bottom right-hand corner, and then click on Payment Cards. Now, once you click on Payment Cards, you'll have the option to add a payment card or click on the plus icon on the upper right-hand corner. Either way, it's going to take you to the same screen. So here is where you're going to enter your payment card information, such as your first name, last name, card number, expiration date, security code, address, zip code, city, state and province, and country. So once you've filled out all this information, you're just going to click on Save, and your debit card should now be connected with Craigslist. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your debit card with Craigslist. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.